Okay, so the next one we're going to do is a bird dog. You're going to be on all fours with your knees underneath your hips and your hands underneath your shoulders. And what I'd like to do is I'd like you to round your back and then flex. And I'd like you to try to find your, come back down and hollow out there. I'd like you to try to find your sweet spot there. What's the most comfortable position of that lumbar spine where you don't have any pain. We want to start from that sweet spot that's most comfortable for you. And from there, what we're going to do is we're going to extend opposite arms and legs. So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to explain it before you actually do it. Let's go right arm and left leg. Your right arm, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to raise it out in front of you so that you do not go over your shoulder. Good, that's fine. Come back down again. I'd like you to push out your left hip. When you do this, yes, you're extending your glutes. I want you to keep your back nice and flat. Think about pressing your heel to a wall behind you. Because it's really not as much about lifting your leg as high as you can. What we're looking to try to do is to contract the glutes and the erectors hamstrings as you're doing this. So let's try that just on the left hip. I'd like you to extend, keep your back flat, push that heel back, good, and back again. Good. Now let's try to do those both at the same time. You're going to lift your right shoulder and your left leg, and we're going to hold for 10 seconds. Okay, go ahead. Up, good. 2, stay flat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to sweep in. Good. You're going to rest for 20 seconds. And then you're going to go back out again. Go ahead, go again. Same side. Good, press. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. So we'll normally do, let's say, we'll get started with 4 repetitions there before we do 4 repetitions of the opposite side where we're doing our left and our right. So let's try our left and our right. Raise your left arm. Let's raise your right foot back. Again, we're pressing back. Press that heel. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Good. And we're resting. A couple of modifications we can do with that in order to engage some of the more thoracic muscles is when you bring your arm out, you can create a fist. All right, let's try to do that. Left hand, right leg, and go. Good. Let's make a fist. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Good. Okay, and rest.